Hello, everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you to the process to use the all chat in our Valorant. So, if you're also looking out how, you may just head over and follow up this guide for that. So, first of all, access a Valorant application on your screen for that, and there are two methods you can follow up if you'd like to use the all chat in Valorant. The first thing you can do is you can press Shift plus Enter on your keyboard simultaneously to open up the chat to all players. On your left hand side, right in the below, you can see the chat appearing on your screen. You can just go over and type in your message in the section and just go over and enter again to send it to your friend. So you can just go and type in all of the message and do so. Otherwise, method number two, what you can do is you can just type in all command. So in the keyboard, you can just go over and type in slash all and press enter followed by message. And once you press enter to send the message to everyone in the chat, you should be able to use the all chat in your Valorant application very easily. And that is it. You may also look out for the tab to compete and you can select your PYLB and just go over and use the all chat in Valorant that way as well. So that is it, everybody. You can use these methods if you want to use all chat in Valorant and send it to everyone in the lobby pretty quick and easy. So I hope this video was helpful to you and do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.